Wow.
Wow.
Here's the next one because Skynet.
That's nice, isn't it?
What is it, Agabimo?
It's a doll's house, she said.
Oh,
Oh, fantastic.
That's it.
yes. Let's open the next, ready?
Wow.
Let's see what this one is for a change.
Wow, doll's house, Christina.
It's nice, isn't it?
It looks lovely.
That's just what I wanted.
Excellent.
Oh, shall I help? Oh, you did it.
Just the plain box. There's rubbish Santa.
No, he's got rubbish.
Why did just the plain box then?
You should always be grateful for what Santa gives. He tries his best. Oh!
My scooter, of course.
Oh!
I bought it at John Lewis, then Daddy gave it to Santa.
Really?
Yes, it's true. My
I did.
Oh!
We bought it, and I said to Christina, I can't take it. I've got to give it to Santa.
Oh!
Wow. Yeah.
That's good.
Wow. That's lovely.
I think the last one would be Skynet.
Well, are you sure that's yours?
Yeah, I think so, because it wasn't here last night.
Oh, okay.
When Christina went to bed, it wasn't here.
That's it. Wow.
I wonder what it is.
Wow. I don't know what it is. I bet it's a plain box again.
Of plastic love.
What is it?
You don't need to know yet. Be patient. Mum's not being a lot patient.
She's not being very patient, is she?
Oh!
What is it, Agabimo?
So why do you think that card's there then?
What is it?
Wow! Oh! It says, what does that word say? Skylectric! That's what it is! That's what it is!
Loved it, love. You got one.
We've got one!
Yes, Skylectric boo-boo.
Is it heavy?
Dad, what does that word say?
What is it?
Wow.
Skylectric.
Well done. Merry
Well
Christmas.